guys, my name is That Gamer Girl Sam, and I am here to show you a video of a game called Heavy Rain. Now, I played this game multiple times, and I don't know what I'm talking about. It's my first video on this channel. I have another channel that's about cons and cosplays and other stuff. That's crappy as hell, but I don't care. I just want to play this. I want to play the actual DLC for a while now, so I'm going to get to this and talk at the same time. This is the first one with Taxidermist. I haven't played this game in... Okay, so it's a really thingy-majiggy. Okay, I actually haven't played this at all, so let's go to new story. Yes, let's play a new one, and let's see what happens. So this game has...
Madison Paige. Madison, it's Sam. I got the information.
Pickles! I'm on my pickle. Bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle.
No criminal record, no psychiatric history.
I'm not sure I remember. I'm in the dark, and I don't know what square.
Square,
circle, triangles.
His last known address
It's like DDR.
I
know, but I can't look.
Lexington. You really think this guy could be the origami killer?
Okay, so this is between the origami killer. I think this is I think it's before she became Scott.
The only way to find out is to go and ask him. If it's not him, he'll give me some tips on how to stuff animals.
If he is the killer.
And we've got this poop of the year.
Shit, you're really
nuts. And this is the same voice actor.
Be careful, Madison. You never know.
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Yep, it's not the same voice actor. I think for Madison Paige, they had one girl do like the facial stuff and one girl to voice her. They had other masks covering up stuff. Oh, how much I want to cost this in Heavy Rain just for weird stuff. So these
Tuesday,
endings.
November 3rd, 1:15 p.m. I'm at the home of the suspect, Leland White.
Yeah, no, it's not the same voice actor. It's different. I want to have other DLC. Wait, is this straight? I don't know if this is straight. Are you looking or going? My controller is being so bad. It's supposed to be charging, but it's not. Okay, go back. No. Just go back, please. Please! Letterbox.
The mailbox. It would be very discreet to have a look, but...
You will let me move!
Weird atmosphere. I'll just ask us to write a couple of questions, and then get the hell out of here.
Taking this thing out. There we go. My controller was working for a second. Now where's my other? I think I brought both my controllers. I don't remember. Let's look in the mailbox. The mailbox.
The wife seems to be interested in fashion.
Maybe he's a transgender. Maybe he's a she. Or maybe he just likes frilly dresses for his pets and animals. Can I... No, go this way. This... No, that way.
Anybody home? Mr. White? Hello?
Let me break into your house. Ooh, that would scare the hell out of me if it popped out of nowhere.
Hello?
Hello, it's me. I've been wondering if I would know the times you had to me. No difference between us. No, he's not home. He no home. He no home. Can we go this way? He no home. He no home.
Guidance here. There's nothing else.
Look at this trash can.
I better get out of here. I'm starting to freeze with all this goddamn rain.
It's your fault you came in the rain. No, wait. Yes!
The window. The jar. It's too high for me to be able to get in that one.
Oh! Pick up the can. No, go. Go on the can. No, it won't let me. Go up. No.
Not much point in trying to get in there. If the door's locked anyway.
Oh, from the other side. And
I could have a quick look inside. I'm not going to get my article written by hanging around outside. Can't just break into the guy's house like this. If I get caught, the newspaper's going to have to come up with the damn one.
Come on. I'm just getting mad at these controls. These controls are shit. Oh, there we go. Move those muscles. Do your thing, girl. No, wait. And you can just be like the crazy doctor dude. Because if he is, I don't want to go. Oh yeah, just make stairs for yourself. That's perfect.
Tammy's right. I really am crazy.
You are mentally insane. Think with the crazy guy who was thought to be a killer and chopped off his own finger. Now he's jumping through some guy's window. I'll have to be sitting right there. You're like, oh,
Charming.
oh shit.
Look, take some photos and get out of here fast.
Photos of what? His stinky ass kitchen? Wait. I can look in his fridge.
Gee, think I'm gonna find a story in the fridge?
Yes. No, go back there. Drink the beer. You need your alcohol. It makes you look prettier. That sounded... Oh! Shit.
Great, Madison.
I'd be fucking creeped out of that.
Well,
Not one bird.
we don't have to break anything if we don't want him knowing he's had a visitor.
Oh yeah, we already broke one thing. Oh, what the hell? I just like left the house and came back in. No, no doubt was there.
Oh, looks like Mr. White is into bodybuilding. Big muscle man who guts animals, he must be a very popular guy.
Like me! Even though I don't exercise and I don't have big muscles. Let's use toilet. And this isn't like South Park. Take poops. Can I look at pictures? No. This angle makes it look like a freaky horror story. Hello from the other side.
Floorboards creak when I walk on them. Fits this creepy place.
Yeah, think? No! The hell? Go back over there. Go. but you don't put the basketball back. How rude. How rude. There we go. There we go. Told you. Oh, is that him or his wife? Or a child? That just looks creepy as hell. Might be his wife's room, or it could be a child.
Portrait in black and white. Might be his mother.
Or his wife. And maybe he kept some. Maybe he's a taxidermist, and that's all his victims. Those pictures. I'm not even moving my thing, and it's fight. That's a. Why you controls? Why are you funny? Bird, feather, hide, medicine. Bird, feather, hide, medicine. Okay then. Goodbye. Wait, what is... Go in this room. Why are there half-naked things? I am pressing this way. There's a dead body in here. I need to find the key. The key to open that. Why do you kill him? I'm completely missed. No! Go! Madison. And there are your dead bodies. Oh, what I say? He was killing the women.
In the upstairs bathroom, a body in the bathtub. She
And his
kind of
boob.
put it off.
Okay, I'm leaving because this is disgusting. And we saw boobs. The boob boo boo doo doo. And what did I say? I had no. Go towards no. Controller down. That way. No. That door. No. I can't go to that door. Go. What I say? Stuff the person. Oh! Perfect first video to do. Perfect first video to do on a channel for gaming.
This time I've got my story.
Can I please leave? I want to go. I don't want to be here anymore. Goodbye. Goodbye. I want to leave. Thank you. Bye. Something jumps out at me. I'm gonna be mad as hell. That's probably why that thing was there. Oh shit. I didn't even get to go in the basement.
Floorboards creak. I gotta move quietly. These floorboards are gonna get me killed.
I'm not even moving it.
Oh, we seem to have a visitor. A little weasel comes snipping round my little secrets.
I gotta hold this. I don't want to hold it.
Filthy vermin! Where are you hiding? I'll soon teach you to keep your nose out of other people's business.
Yeah, you kill ladies, buy women's clothing, and then you make them your weird taxidermist sex slaves. Thank God I didn't go in there.
Have you seen my little darlings? Pretty, aren't they? Something tells me I'm gonna have a new one for my collection.
Oh shit. No! I failed. This is 20 minutes of pure bullshit. So I failed. There's 7 different endings?